Are you ready to uncover hidden treasures, ancient relics, or even rare coins? Welcome back to Top 5 Picks. Today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of metal detecting. Whether you're a seasoned treasure hunter or just getting started, these are the top 5 metal detectors in 2025 that are making waves in the world of exploration. Number 5. Garrett 11404608T Pro. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Garrett 11404608T Pro. This metal detector is perfect for those who are serious about their treasure hunts without breaking the bank. Designed for both beginners and intermediate users, it's packed with features that make it versatile and reliable. The Garrett AT Pro features advanced technology like Pro Mode audio, which gives you real-time feedback, and its 15 kHz frequency is perfect for finding small items like gold nuggets. Plus, it's fully waterproof, so you can even take it underwater to depths of up to 10 feet. Frequency: 15 kHz. Waterproof: yes, up to 10 feet. Best for coins, relics, and gold nuggets. If you want a metal detector that's rugged and reliable, the Garrett AT Pro is an excellent choice for any terrain. Number 4. Fisher F75. Coming in at number 4, we have the legendary Fisher F75. Known for its lightweight design and exceptional sensitivity, this detector is a treasure hunter's dream. The Fisher FA75 boasts features like an enhanced double-filter discrimination mode, which helps you sift through trash signals to find real treasures. And with its impressive 40-hour battery life, you can keep hunting all day without interruptions. Discrimination: double-filter battery. Life 40 hours, best for coins, relics, and jewelry. Lightweight, powerful, and precise, the Fisher F75 is a detector that will never let you down. Number 3. Nocta Macro Simplex Plus. At number 3, we have the fan-favorite Nocta Macro Simplex Plus. This metal detector is a game-changer, offering advanced features at an entry-level price. Equipped with built-in wireless headphones and multiple search modes, the Simplex Plus can handle anything from park hunts to underwater adventures. Plus, it's fully waterproof up to 10 feet. Waterproof, yes, up to 10 feet. Search modes, multiple, including beach and all metal, best for beginners and experienced users. If you're looking for affordability without compromising on performance, the Nocta Macro Simplex Plus is your go-to metal detector in 2025. Number 2. Minelab Equinox 800. At number 2, we have the Minelab Equinox 800, a detector that sets the standard for multi-frequency technology. Whether you're hunting for coins, relics, or gold, the Equinox 800 adapts to your needs. The Equinox 800 features Minelab's groundbreaking multi-IQ technology, allowing you to detect all types of metal simultaneously. It's also fully submersible, making it ideal for beach and underwater hunting. Technology: multi-IQ. Waterproof: yes, best for versatility and precision. For serious treasure hunters who want cutting-edge tech, the Minelab Equinox 800 is a must-have. Number 1. Garrett Ace 400i. And finally, taking the top spot, the Garrett Ace 400i. This metal detector is a powerhouse, blending user-friendly features with professional-grade performance. The Ace 400i features iron audio, digital target ID, and an 8.5 by 11-inch search coil, making it incredibly precise and efficient. Its lightweight design ensures you can hunt for hours without fatigue. Coil size: 8.5 by 11 inches. Technology: digital target ID best. For all-purpose treasure hunting, the Garrett Ace 400i isn't just the best of 2025, it's a tool that every treasure hunter will want in their arsenal. There you have it, folks. The top 5 metal detectors of 2025. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these detectors are guaranteed to elevate your treasure hunting game. Which one of these amazing detectors is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Top 5 Picks for more amazing tech reviews and treasure hunting tips. Happy hunting, and we'll see you in the next video.